Today our chapter is chemistry chapter from class 9 chemistry, that is study of first element, that is hydrogen. And today our main focus is laboratory preparation of hydrogen. How hydrogen is prepared in the laboratory, what are the reactants required, what are the procedure you have to maintain. Let us see one by one. Before going to the preparation of hydrogen in the laboratory, the reactants required: number 1, granulated zinc; number 2, dilute hydrochloric acid, or you can take dilute sulfuric acid. Two things required. Procedure: place some piece of granulated zinc in a flat bottom flask fitted with an airtight cork with 2 holes. Why 2 holes? I am telling one by one. Through one hole pass a Cecil funnel with a long stem provided with a stopper, and through the other a long delivery tube. Pour dilute hydrochloric acid or dilute sulfuric acid through the Cecil funnel. The reaction will take place, that is zinc plus hydrochloric acid. It will be zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas will be evolved. Dilute hydrochloric acid, or you can take sulfuric acid, dilute sulfuric acid, zinc plus sulfuric acid, H2SO4. It will give zinc sulfate plus hydrogen gas. It is the lightest gas, it will go up. This is the reaction taking place, and the procedure you see: apparatus Cecil funnel. This is the delivery tube. The hydrogen is collected by downward displacement of water. The granulated zincs are taken in a round bottom flask. Through Cecil funnel, dilute sulfuric acid or dilute hydrochloric acid is added. Okay? Through Cecil funnel. Zinc granules are preferred for this reaction over pure zinc because the impurity present in granulated zinc is copper, whose catalyzing effect speeds up the rate of reaction. What are the observations we see after procedure? Reaction will gradually start in the form of effervescence and evolution of gas. When all the air from the apparatus has been expelled, collect the gas over water by downward displacement. Collection of hydrogen. Hydrogen is collected by the downward displacement of water because it is virtually insoluble in water. 20 ml of hydrogen dissolves in 1 liter of water under normal conditions. Second point, it forms an explosive mixture with air and therefore cannot be collected by downward displacement of air, even though it is a lighter than it. So what are the impurities present with hydrogen? Number 1, hydrogen sulfide, formula is H2S. Second, sulfur dioxide, formula is SO2. Third, oxides of nitrogen. Number 4, phosphine, formula is PH3. Number 5, arsine, AsS3. Carbon dioxide, formula CO2. Water vapor, H2O. Impurities can be removed from hydrogen by passing it through silver nitrate solution or lead nitrate solution or caustic potash solution. You have the reaction given. You have to thoroughly practice in the home. Okay. Thank you for today's class. Next day I will do more of this chapter.